Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Update iPhone, charge it, and keep your Apple ID and any paired device nearby because you'll need authentication. First, attempt Settings Face ID and passcode to see the locked message. This confirms stolen device protection is active. If you have the previous owner's credentials, sign into iCloud. Calm and remove the device from Find My iPhone. This clears activation lock. Once done, restart the iPhone to apply any state changes before continuing to the next steps. Now move into the core fixes. If you have the original Apple ID, sign out on the device or via iCloud to remove activation lock. This re-enables Face ID configuration. If you lack credentials, prepare proof of purchase and contact Apple support. Explain the locked status and provide serial number. They can remove protection after verification. Avoid restoring iOS via recovery mode until Apple confirms activation lock removal, because a restore without removal will leave the device unusable and keep stolen. Finish by setting up Face ID after activation lock is cleared. Go to Settings Face ID and passcode and follow the guided scans. Make sure your face is well lit and remove glasses or masks for accurate enrollment. If setup fails, toggle Face ID off, restart the phone, and attempt enrollment again. This often clears configuration errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if enrollment still fails, obtain a support case number from Apple and book a Genius Bar visit so a technician can inspect hardware and system status directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.